想关乐运动就跟着 Sino Afro。Hello， 大家好，我是老师SUSU，我来自 Sino Afro。I'm back again with another amazing dance tutorial. Hope you enjoy my class. Let's not waste time. Let's get it. So today our first move is very simple. We're starting with the right side as usual. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. So that's the first move. We're going to the second move. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So that's the end of the second move. So we're going to the third move. Third move is very simple. We're shaking down as we are putting it up. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So from end, we switch the leg to the left leg. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So from here, we're going to our next move. Our next move is very simple. It's like we're carrying something from here. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. So after the 8 times, we go to the next move. The next move is very simple. After the 8 times, we step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, you step 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again, the last time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So after the 4 times, we go back again to the carrying move. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Again we step 1 and 2 and 1 and 3. Okay, again we step 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Again we step 1 and 2, 3 and 4. The last time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So after this, we're going to our next move. It's a new move. So from here, put back. From here, put the hands in the chest like this. It's like you're holding something, and we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So after the 8, that's the end of the routine. So let's take it from the top, quickly, with a little bit of speed. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Switch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So after 8, from the 8, hope we are together, doing it together. So after the 8, we go back to the carrying move. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And step, step, back, back, back. Step, back, back, back. Step, step, back, back, back. Step, step, back, back, back. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Step, step, back, back, back. 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 And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So after 8, again we go back to the top. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and boom. So that's the end of our routine. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for subscribing. We appreciate the support and love. Don't forget to share with your friends so that they can get to learn these amazing moves from Sino Afro Uganda, China Connection. Thank you. Love you so much. I sign out.